Guys, Abby here, and this morning I'm going to bring you with me. I'm going to do a Zoom class with artÉmotion. I'm not sure who's teaching. I think it's either Allison or Becky Ann, so I'm pretty excited. And let's see, it's got 9:07 on Sunday morning. I'm usually not up and at 'em on a weekend morning like this. I'm still waiting on the email to come through for the Zoom link, and that always makes me a little nervous. I kind of like to have them like the day before, so I'm still kind of like, is it going to come through? Is everything going to work out? This is my first time. I've been doing Zoom classes, obviously. This is my first time doing one like through something like this with a lot of people that I don't know, so it's always a little bit like still kind of nerve-wracking to do something new and different. So another little update for you guys. I've been dancing in a studio pretty regularly, and I've been getting in for about 3 classes a week, and it's just really kind of interesting because during the shutdown I was in here every single day, 5-6 days a week, something like that, and I just felt like I got like really strong. I was doing really well, and I still felt really strong dancing in a studio 3 days a week, but I just have a hard time if I'm dancing in a studio part-time than dancing in my house part-time. It's just been kind of like an odd dynamic trying to figure it out. So I'm still trying to figure out what I'm going to do for this fall. Just looking at like scheduling and stuff like that. I think I'm probably going to be here quite a bit. Don't know how much I'm going to get into a studio. Sometimes I say that and then it's like things open up, but we'll see. But the main point being is it's been kind of nice like getting back into my space. Oh, and I've had my first complete week off. So I'm actually coming into this like really out of shape, but I did give myself class yesterday, and a pretty good one. I tried to like take my time, and this is a ballet class and then a point class, but I realized yesterday I put my point shoes on, and pretty much all my point shoes are like really dead, like to that point where it's like they're dead. So not completely sure how this is gonna go. I have new ones to sew. I just haven't gotten a chance to sew them, so I'm trying to decide which ones I'm even gonna try and like make work for today. I think I'm gonna wear my blocks. I think they're maybe a little less dead than my Suffolks, but my Suffolks are like really super dead, and that's what I wore yesterday. Kind of scary. So hopefully the point class isn't going to be too intense because I'm really out of point shape and my shoes are all dead, and I feel like such a horrible like coming to class and I don't even have good point shoes, but I so rarely get to take point class, and I'm so excited about that because I love getting to take point class. It's like one of my like favorite things is getting an actual point class. So I'm gonna go ahead right now and finish up my coffee and then warm up, and I will show a little bit of that to you. Not the drinking the coffee so much as the warming up. It's 9:11, so class doesn't start till 10. I've got some time.
Not high to start. This is so that we can feel our butts or hamstrings, and then we're gonna have a chance to move. are doing great. The one thing that I think you guys are all neglecting, and we've talked about this before, is you have to lift the knee. And I don't mean the top of the knee. I mean the bottom underneath of the knee. So, we often think hip, and we think foot, and then our leg feels heavy. If you lift from underneath here, in your mind, your leg's gonna feel a lot less heavy. That includes going derriere attitude.
That class was great. It was phenomenal. She gave such good corrections and such good feedback with everything I needed. Like, my body actually felt way better than I thought, and I really appreciated a lot of the stuff she was doing in class because it was just, I don't know, it's stuff that I know, but without someone else watching me and like telling me if I'm doing it, and sometimes just, you know, being in there with a teacher. Like when I'm teaching, I tell my students these things, but when I'm dancing, I don't tell myself. And you know, it's so easy to create a lot of little bad habits when you don't really have eyes on you telling you what you're doing wrong. And I was telling Jenna the other day, you know, I used to get so frustrated with corrections because I didn't really feel like my body could make the corrections. I didn't feel like that I was like strong enough. And it's like I know I need to be doing that, but my body just can't and won't. So I just get really frustrated. And so I'm feeling strong enough now that I feel like I can actually like make corrections, and I'm gonna go because class is about to start. So I'll see you after point.
How'd it go? Good? Both feet, you guys, it's for everybody. In point shoes, both feet are gonna go shoot when you're by yourself. When you're with a partner, we'll do one foot, but mostly when we're by ourselves, plie, both feet arrive together. Okay, last time, here we go. And finish. Cool beans, nice. All right, you guys.
And all done. Hope you guys liked coming along with me to class. I'm gonna do a little bit more stretching and jumps for myself, but my battery is about to die, so that's all for today. Go take class with us with Allison at artÉmotion. Bye guys.